This is Mr. Hanna. Welcome to What the Format. Today we're going to go over how to go from 2 points to the equation of a line in point slope form. Recall the point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We're going to do the same thing we did with slope intercept form. Step 1 is to find the slope. So we're going to take y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Again, you can label those points y2, x2, y1, x1, don't mix them up. 22 minus 7, that goes on top, 5 minus 3. So now that's going to give us 15 over 2 as our slope. Now, you have two choices. Use this point or use this point. I'm going to do both so you can see that either answer is correct. They won't look the same, but they really are the same equation. So here's our 7, y minus that, you minus your y1, equals your slope, 15 over 2, there's your m, x minus 3, so minus that. Now, what if I use the other point, Mr. Hanna? You said those are x2, y2. Well, that's only when you're comparing these 2 points. If you're using this point for the equation, then this is your x1 and that's your y1. Now, that may seem a little confusing, but remember with this, you're only considering 1 point in the slope. For the slope, you have to have 2 points. That's why we have to differentiate them. When you're only considering 1 point, you don't need the 2 for the subscript. So what you can do then is go, and my marker's supposed to be dying on me. We go y minus, what's your y? 22. Still put your slope in there, and then we have times x minus 5. Now, both of those are correct. 2 quick choices, and guess what? That's it, you're done. Okay, that's why a lot of people like this, because it's real quick and easy. But as you can see, it looks quite a bit different. The equation's harder to remember. So if you're just starting out in algebra, they do want you to know this, but I wouldn't focus on this until you get into higher level math and you get more comfortable with all this varying notation. Again, that's a personal choice at this point. You do need to know this at some point. If you can learn it now, great. If you're in algebra 1, if you're in algebra 2, this is a good time to learn this. If you're in calculus, this is a great formula to know, because then once you have your slope and you know a point on your curve, you just plug them in and you're done. And that usually takes a lot of work right there. So that's an easy way to finish a problem, as opposed to have to go through the steps of going to y equals mx plus b. But there you have it. You got 2 points. Came up with 2 different equations. They're both the correct answer. This is used the 0.37. This used the 0.5 and 22. Now notice, if your points are positive up here, they're going to be negative down here. So then the flip side is also true. If they're negative up here, then you're going to have pluses down here. Because remember, minus a minus is a plus. So you're going to want to watch that. But this has been Mr. Hanna. Thank you for watching What the Format. Happy math.